Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing origami tortoise model. This is a very beautiful tortoise model. Let me show it to you. It's over here. As you can see, the shape of this tortoise is really beautiful. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, for this tortoise model, we'll need a square piece of paper. So let's begin. Oops, let me just fix the camera. Yeah. So now let's begin. So first we'll fold along the along the diagonal axis and make a crease like this. Similarly, we fold it on this side, we make an X. Like this, you can see an X now. I think the camera is not focusing properly. Yeah, so you see an X. Now you rotate your page, flip your page basically, and now we fold around the horizontal axis. So sorry for the background noises, there are a lot of kids playing. And now we rotate the page, and then again we fold along the horizontal axis, which makes a plus sign. This is how it looks. Now all you need to do is, along the creases, just make this triangle. So this is how it looks. Now the crease making part, actually you can say it like that. So first you make a crease like this, or I guess you can make a crease, yeah, let's make it like this. So first crease, you just fold it till here, press it, you got one crease over here. Second, now you fold this entire thing like this, make a crease over here, second crease you get. Now you fold again this entire thing like this, third crease, you got it here. Here, as you can see, here is your third crease. Now you fold this from the third crease to the center. So I'm marking like this, from the third crease you can fold it till the center. Looks like this. Now using this as a reference, we'll fold all other sides. You don't need to make any more creases. So this is how it looks here. Similarly, we just put it like this and we fold it on this side. All you need is these fold creases basically, so it's fine. I mean, any side you can fold it, just make sure the crease is proper and symmetric like this. Similarly, we do it on this side. So align it with the already folded page or the already folded crease, and then you fold it like this. This is how it looks. Now open all the sides. You got all the creases now, so you open all the sides. Now you have this one fold over here. Now you need to do, let me just fix this. Yeah. So now we need to do is, you fold it like this. This flap, you just fold it like this. make a crease, open it back, and now you have this crease and then you have this crease, so you just fold it and make a triangular type shape here like this, and then fold it back. This will be formed and it's fine, that's expected. This is how it looks. We need to do this on all the 4 sides, so let's quickly do that. Just fold it like this. Then try to make a triangle, proper triangle like this. Adjust it slightly. This is how it looks. Repeat the same on the back side, so you already have the crease, just doing it on this side. Then you fold it like this, and then this is how you form this crease or this fold. Similarly, we do it on this side. This is the last side, so let's finish this. Let's take reference from here for this fold one more time, and now we'll fold. This is how it looks. Press it properly. Now you have these 4 laps like this, so let's pick one and then fold it so that this forms a horizontal part like this. If you hold it like this, so this forms an horizontal part like this. Align this properly. I think it's not sharp enough. Yeah, so yeah, this is how it looks. And now you open this one flap up, and then you fold this to form an horizontal flap, horizontal line over here like this actually. So this forms an horizontal line and we fold it like this. Alright, so similarly we do it on this side. Just take the reference and then we fold it. Just open this flap like this and then fold it like this. Similarly, you fold it this in this side. On this side, yeah, slightly like this. And now you press it, so basically this gets folded over here, so open it and then press it like this. This is how it looks. And now we fold this, you open this side, and let's do it this side actually. You open this flap, this is here, this is this side, so open this portion, the leg, basically this is the leg, and make a diamond shape like this on this side of this. So it should not cut, basically it should not get folded over here. So all you need to do is just make a diamond shape leg like this, and then you fold this portion like this. So oops, make a good diamond shape actually, properly make it so that it is properly visible the leg should be properly visible, right? So yeah, make a proper diamond shape like this. And then if you fold this, yeah, this is how you can see the leg. Similarly, we do it on this side. So open it like this, make a proper diamond shape like this. Like this, and then you fold it like this, so it looks really nice. This also you need to slightly extend it. Yeah, so this comes here, this leg comes here. Let me just make it properly. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, now you fold. Now the legs are done. Now we do the body. So you fold this entire part behind like this, halfway behind basically, like this, and then you fold it back slightly, keeping a gap like this. Basically this much is enough. This is how it looks. Now rotate it, and then this you need to form a fold like this. So from here you can push it from here, this portion, right? You can push it and then slowly press it, because there are multiple layers here, so folding this will be difficult, slightly harder on the harder side. So press it slowly, and then you can maintain it like this. Basically this should be, it's okay if it's not in sync, I mean if it's not symmetric here, try to make it symmetric as possible. And this is how it looks. Then if you fold it, open it, I mean rotate it, this is how it looks. And then now we just fold the step slightly, this much. Yeah, and then this forms the neck or the head portion of the tortoise. So this is not looking good, actually it's looking flat. So let's slightly make it like this. Like this, so that it looks nice. Similarly you do it on this side, and then if you do it, if you see, it gets this shape, basically the hexagon or the pentagon shape, and it looks nice in that shape. Excuse me. So now this is how the head looks like. Now we'll fold from here. This we need to slightly fold it inwards here, from this side and from this side. This is how it looks. Similarly we do it on this side, slightly fold it. Then these are the these contain multiple layers, so these folds are on the harder side. You need to press it really hard so that they retain. This is how it looks. Now the final touch, the hands, just have a hole, you have a hole over here, just open it like this, make a diamond shape again like this, and then open it and put the hand inside like this. Similarly we do it on this side. Just open it, form a diamond shape like this, and then put it inside. And this is the adjust it properly from here. Yeah, and this is the final tortoise model. This looks really nice. Really liked this model. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care, guys.